On Tuesday, the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress State Committee had announced the induction of its new office bearers at a press conference held at the Congress BHAVAN, Shillong. The newly elected members include ADRIAN MYLLIEM as president, BANPHIRALANG BASAIAWMOIT, LADHIMTIMON KHARSOHTUN and KHARMUTI as vice presidents, DAWAN RICHMOND RYNJAH, CUTHBERT KHARSOHTUN and a few others as general secretaries. While speaking to reporters, the newly elected president of the Mpyc, ADRIAN MYLLIEM, reiterated the fact that the Youth Congress is concerned about the welfare of the youth of Meghalaya and therefore owe its responsibility towards better future for the young people who all this while have not been able to get the right opportunity and access information on various means wherein they can utilize their talent and skills for their betterment.
We are greatly concerned as to what's happening in our state, the situation we are all in. If our youths are losing their lives to drug addiction, if they're getting involved in petty crime, if they are leaving the state to pursue higher education for greener pastures, we feel all of these are very troublesome. We understand that there are a few youths, due to unemployment, are unable to feed their families, and at the same time they are resorting to petty crime because they don't want to starve, but they have no opportunities elsewhere. It is truly saddening to see our youth suffering so. If we, the youths who bear the weight of the future on our shoulders, are not given such opportunity, then I worry about what lies ahead for us. What do we look forward to? We, the Congress youth, are greatly concerned for the welfare of our state and the future that awaits us. We, the Congress youths, feel we have a sense of responsibility towards this future, and we will work for it. We owe it to ourselves and we owe it to our state. We urge the youths of our state to not take these matters lightly. We can all talk about change and politics from the comfort of our own homes, but only action can bring the necessary change.
The Mpyc president also implored and urged upon the youth to join hands with the Youth Congress of the state to act and bring about changes to the present unemployment scenario and other challenges faced by them through ideas and suggestions that the committee is always open to.
We implore the youths to come together with us. There might be a few of you who are feeling hopeless, who are feeling despair. There are also a few of you who are hopeful, who want to bring about that change in the state. And there are a few of you who have your own ideas and suggestions on what we must do. We urge you, come together with us. We want talented youths in our party, and as you can see, we have together with us a very talented team of individuals who will strive and who will work hard towards the future. Come together with us, share your ideas, and we will discuss. We'll think of things, we'll come up with solutions on how we can tackle the growing issues in our state.